Hey, what up, y'all? So today I'm gonna do a double unboxing of a holster and what a lot of people might say is the concealed carry pistol of the year. Let's get to it. So I picked out a holster from Cleaner Holsters, and it came with this bumper sticker, pretty cool. And it came with this booklet, and there's some instructions, and I got the holster itself. There it is. It's their pocket holster. You could also tuck it into your appendix waistline to do an appendix carry, and you gotta like put your belt kind of a little. I ain't gonna say you gotta put it tight, but you don't want this thing falling down your pants leg. You know, when you're about to order a milkshake for your daughter at McDonald's or something like that. It has a texture to it. It's like a leathery stickiness where I would imagine it would stay pretty good inside of the pocket. Now, for the pistol of the year, got the Sig Sauer P365. And it comes with the sticker, got a manual, some other documentation inside of there. Comes with the mag that has a little lip on it, 10-round mag. And then the flush mag is already inside, and also comes with a gun lock too. And this thing is pretty sweet. There's a lot of videos out on this pistol right now, so like, you know, I'm not gonna get too much into specifics and everything like that, but this thing is pretty nice, and it's like they say one of the smallest pistols with the biggest capacity that you can get right now. And if not mistaken, I heard rumors that they're gonna be, Sig Sauer is gonna be making another model of this, but with a safety on it. It's supposed to be coming out later on this year, but that's just a rumor, and you know, you gotta believe everything you hear on the internet. But anyways, so a lot of people were like thinking like, you know, like this gun might be too small for me or whatever. I'd rather carry a subcompact than a micro compact or whatever, but I got some big hands, you know what I'm saying? And like from my thumb stretched out to my pinky, it's about 10 inches. And my hand itself is about, I would say about 4 inches wide. And from my middle finger to the bottom of my palm is about close to 8 inches or so. And it feels nice. Feels very nice. And I fit all but one finger on the grip, and some people say it might be a little snappy, whatever. I haven't took it to the range yet. Hope I can get some video from the range and give a little bit more in-depth review from my standpoint on this pistol. But right now, I mean, like, that sight picture is like perfect. I love it, and it feels good. You know what I'm saying? I got my fiance the Ruger LC9. It was a while back at like one of the gun shows, and it was all pink and everything, two-tone pink and black. She loves it, but then the thing that I don't like about it is the trigger pull. The thing that I didn't like about that trigger pull on the Ruger LC9 is that like it was so far back that by the time I pulled the trigger and it went off, I was already off target, and it just, that trigger wouldn't work for me. But you know, although like, remember I said I haven't shot this yet, but after racking the slide and dry firing it, it just feels sweet though. I mean, like, cause like the trigger pull is like, that's as far as it goes back right there, and I know the LC9 goes back way farther than that, and the reset is also pretty it's like pretty crisp. Let me rack it real quick. cracked it, and right there, it's pretty clean and crisp. I mean, can't get no cleaner than that. Let me go ahead and trigger reset. And now for the reset. That's just so crisp, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so I mean, if you're into smaller guns and you're looking for a new concealed carry pistol, or you just want an extra one, I'm telling you, man, this right here, it feels nice. Only fit like, you know, I can't fit my pinky finger on, but that's all good though, because I mean, it feels comfortable. This was the flush fitting mag here, and here's the 10 rounder with the lip on it, and with my big hands I'm still able to grip it with my 2 fingers. My pinky's still swinging, but it's okay though, because I still feel like I have a firm grip on this gun, and I just can't wait to shoot it. And here it is, sitting out cozy in the comfort clinger. Yeah, it's pretty, it's pretty sticky. I'm like trying to push it across this wood, and it's pretty sticky. Pretty sticky. So that's my unboxing of the Sig P365 pistol of 2018. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, y'all.